Hi everyone, welcome to Unbox and Play with Charli. Today we're going to be doing some cooking with the toaster. I have just got this Cookeez Makery Toasty Treats. The last one that I did with my sister was this cute unicorn. And it smells like sprinkles. Let's take a closer look at what the toaster looks like. What is that? The toaster? Oh, look at all of these little cutesy treatsies we can have. Okay, so let's get started. Let's start unboxing. Can we unbox? Wait, how are you meant to unbox this? I'm not sure. Okay. Okay, so now... Wait, how do you do this? Here we go. What have we got here? Oh, this is so cute. It's a little toast thing. Put this over here. Is this the checklist? Oh, cutie patootie, so cute. Okay, now the instructions say that we put this in. And then up. Is it a little dog? Oh, it's a little doggy. Let's see what. Let's smell him. He smells like strawberries. Oh yeah, and there's this little grill thing that you can put down and up, down and up, down and up, down and up, just like that. Like that. So we got the cutie patootie puppy. Let's see if it tells us what his name is. What his name is. Stortle poodle. Okay, it's a type of poodle though. So look, you can always make sure that the sleeve is down and put this cute little puppy back in here, and put this little cutie in here, and then go up. How adorable is that? And you can show other people if you've already, you can tell them that you've just got it, even if you've had it for a long time, and show them how it works. And don't forget to check out my next video, which is going to be my brand new oven. Okay, bye everyone.